I'm wondering if you can search for like dog shelters,
Yeah.
Dog shelters?
Yeah.
Animal shelters?
animal shelters, yeah, stuff like that.
That's a straightforward one. Yeah. So I would go under business professionals. There's two ways actually. So first way would be
First of all, I love how Brian's like, yeah, totally, that's easy, that's straightforward. But for all of us, we're like, wait a minute, this is going to be really interesting because he's about to, blow our minds a little bit. But yes, so start with the business professionals and then show us.
Well, I'm going to actually start with business. So this is people who took COVID money, their PPP. So there's a lot of nonprofits that are in here. So what would be the dog shelter, animal shelter?
Yeah, probably animal shelter, animal rescue.
Yeah, right here, except veterinarian. So you don't want vets, you want actually a nonprofit.
Oh, right, yeah, perfect. Except veterinarians. I like that.
So when we do that, 6,832 in the country. But what I wanted to show is, well, what if you just type in animal shelter?
Don't put in shelter, just put the animal. That way you get animal rescue.
Does that mean shelter?
See, you're already learning, right? Don't put shelter, just put animal, and that way you'll get shelter and rescue. You'll get all of them. You're already learning basically how you can leverage the system to really drill down on what you're looking for.
Yeah, and you just type in animal. There's basically all these are animal shelters probably when you put in shelter.
Yeah, look at them. I mean, you can look through most of the names.
Yeah, and actually that's a perfect match when you did this with the NAICS code. All right, you actually get more with the NAICS code. But the other way you could do it is how we did with business professionals before. The only thing with the business professionals, you have to look for the owner, right? It's not automatically defaulted to the owner. Whereas the business database that's on the homepage, that is automatically the owner, not a employee possibly. But
So
we get the same.
it would
amount.
kind of give
That's
you
really
the number of the shelter instead of the number of the person who runs it, basically.
Yeah, so
you can get both.
yeah, so you get
Nice.
the number
Okay.
of everybody. But what I'm interested is just to see.
Yeah, that was interesting. I saw that it came up with the same number.
It was the identical number. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we did the NAICS code in business professionals, and it was 6,000 something, and then usually things don't work out like that.
That's pretty interesting.
My hypothesis about every single one of these things taking a COVID loan is true.
This one's got a few more. The other one was 60. I think it was. Yeah. Okay. But yeah.
These are all unique business names too.
Yeah.
So kennel, pause within.
So scroll over and show him, where we can find a little more information on any of these.
Yeah, so we can see the officers, directors.
Yeah. Yeah. So you can drill down to sort of figure out, again, who's the operator, who's the decision maker. And I think one of the really great things about it is you can search multiple ways, right? And so like that combined with, I don't know what you do with the animal shelters, but sort of that combined with other filters and other intent searches can really help you drill down your real target demographic. But there's a lot there already. That's pretty amazing.
All right, cool. Thank you. That's really helpful.
Absolutely. Yeah, listen, we're please book a demo in the chat with Kush and if you need a custom plan, certainly don't hesitate to reach out. You can always hit up Kush and just tell him you want to discuss, a enterprise plan, or you want to discuss the API stuff, and we'll get into that.